Step-by-step guide to filling the application form. First, visit infosys.com/Aarohan for an overview of the Aarohan Social Innovation Awards 2025. If you have a social innovation that could change the world for the better in education, healthcare, or environmental sustainability, Aarohan Social Innovation Awards can help you scale up. Next, create your account with a unique username and password. Remember, these will help you access the portal throughout the Aarohan process. Read and accept the privacy consent statement. Upon clicking Sign Up, you will receive an OTP on the submitted email ID. Enter the OTP in the field to complete your registration. Once you have signed in with your registered username and password, you will be prompted to fill in your details. You will also be prompted to share the details of your team member or members, if any. Each team may have a maximum of 3 members. Provide information about your social innovation. Click Save and Proceed to submit details regarding your social innovation in the Application tab. Give your project a title and short description and carefully pick the category it belongs to: education, healthcare, or environmental sustainability. If you are unsure which category your innovation belongs to, watch the Category Explainer video on the left panel. Please enter further details about your submission. Upload a video introduction or demonstration of your innovation, as well as any supporting documents. If you need time to review your submission, save your draft. Then, once you have checked all the boxes, your application is ready for submission. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Submit. Now, once your application has been submitted, you will be able to navigate to your profile on Aarohan to check the status of your application. Next, click on Application Status, where a progress tracker will show you the status of your application. If you have any further queries, refer to our FAQ section on the left panel. If you still have questions, write to us at aarohanawards@infosys.com or call our helpline at 0821 4284 375.